If you have a Squarespace website and you're seeing this confusing black box in the tab of whatever search engine you're using, then this video is for you because I'm going to walk you through how to add a favicon to your Squarespace website so that you can get rid of this black box and have a nice logo, as you can see here, to make your website look more professional. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Henry Purchase. I'm the founder of SEO Space. I made the SEO plugin for Squarespace, and I'm helping over 10,000 Squarespace users every single month rank higher up on search engines and improve the SEO. And of course, in this case, look more professional online. So this little black box here and this little icon that you can see here, this is YouTube. This is Squarespace's favicon. If you haven't added a favicon to your Squarespace website, then you're going to see this black box here. And it's really easy in order to change that on Squarespace. All I want you to do is head over to the dashboard, then go down to settings. From there, you want to make sure you've got website selected and then head over to this favicon tab from here. Now, Squarespace is pretty notorious for moving around their dashboard and making changes. So if you ever can't find something on the Squarespace editor or in your settings, all you need to do is press / on your keyboard. You're then going to see this search bar, and then all you need to do is type in what you're looking for. So for example, this is your favicon, and then from there, you're going to get to your favicon settings. And as you can see, upload an icon to display in the browser tab next to your site title to help make your site more recognizable. So it's essentially just this image here. All you then need to do is then upload your favicon. So here I've already got one. I can upload it from there and then press save. Once I've pressed save, all I need to do is head back to my Squarespace website, refresh, and then in the browser bar, you'll see that this has changed and SEO Space's favicon has now appeared. You also then have the option to add a favicon if someone's browser is in dark mode, if you really want to do that. But just at a bare minimum, make sure that you've got a favicon here. And of course, make sure that it is less than 0.1 megabytes in order to fit Squarespace's sizing requirements, as you saw earlier. So there you are, guys. That is a complete guide of what your favicon is, how to add it on Squarespace. Now, if you want to learn more about Squarespace SEO, head over to our 1 hour plus free course on Squarespace SEO that will walk you through everything that you need to know to attract your target customers to your Squarespace website. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to SEO Space's YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one.